Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pudding rice at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of pudding rice, 500 milliliters of milk, and 50 grams of sugar. Don't forget a small knob of butter and a pinch of salt to bring out the best flavors. For an extra special touch, a vanilla pod or a dash of vanilla extract works wonders. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the pudding rice, milk, sugar, butter, and that pinch of salt. Place it over medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer, making sure to stir continuously. This prevents the rice from sticking to the bottom. Once it starts to bubble gently, reduce the heat to low and add your vanilla pod if you're using one. The key to perfect pudding rice is a slow and steady cook. Let it simmer gently for about 25 to 30 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent any sticking. You'll notice the rice gradually absorbing the milk, transforming into a wonderfully creamy and tender consistency. If it gets too thick, just add a splash more milk until it's just right. Once your pudding rice is beautifully creamy and tender, remove it from the heat. If you used a vanilla pod, take it out now. If you opted for vanilla extract, this is the perfect time to stir in a dash for that lovely aroma. Your homemade pudding rice is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm, perhaps with a sprinkle of cinnamon, a dollop of jam, or some fresh fruit for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.